आपको ये आज का प्रोग्राम कैसा लगा?
It was a very nice program, and specifically after the COVID times, these type of programs are not being held so often. So actually, it should be the information with some entertainment and everything, so that people do not feel bored. Also, at the same time, they gather the information which is being transferred to the industry. So from that point of view, it's very important.
Thank you, sir. Can you say something about Reva? How, because you are the most of the world connected with Reva team. So how you can assess and how you can judge that, how much number you can give if required that within 5 numbers?
For Reva, I can tell you that I am personally connected with Reva Industries for a very long time.
Yeah.
I started my career with Usha Martin in the maintenance time.
Yeah.
So from there, I used to order on Reva.
Yeah.
And that was almost 28 years back.
Very
And
long.
now the name of the company has also changed.
Yeah.
In between, I worked for Siemens, Danieli, SPCO, and now for Mcnally. Now this quite substantial order which we placed from Mcnally for the Coal India projects. Frankly speaking, Reva has executed this order in a very nice way. And congratulations and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks, sir.